Want to start a career in early childhood education in British Columbia? Then complete the Early Childhood Education Assistant or ECEA training at VanWest College.
Students can consider taking the ECEA program at VanWest College because they're going to learn the foundational skills for working in a child care center as an ECE assistant. They're going to learn about health, safety, nutrition, child guidance, and child development.
Benefit from smaller class sizes and gain real-world skills through hands-on training led by experienced instructors.
Probably maximum about 15 students, so it really gives me the opportunity to work individually with students as well. And then I do take the time in case students have questions and kind of support them that way, either before or after class.
Domestic students can apply for the ECEBC bursary and receive $500 per course, up to $4,000 each semester.
Students who complete the ECEA program, they'll be able to work as an assistant in an early childhood setting. So they'll be able to work with children 3 to 5 in various daycares or preschools as an assistant to the educators that are there.
You can complete the ECEA training and qualify for certification in British Columbia in just 2 to 4 weeks.